this is Imran Pardesi sir, and today I will be starting chapter number 3 of standard 9th maths first, that is polynomials. Dear students, today we will see in polynomials the synthetic method of division. Okay, and the second method, linear method of division, is completely reduced from your syllabus. So you have to solve the given division in only one method, and that is synthetic method. Okay, so see what is synthetic method, how to start and how to understand. Look at the board please. Today we will see synthetic division method. Okay, so this one, the bigger one is dividend and this smaller one is a divisor. First you will copy the question as it is. Okay, and then you have to write the dividend first. Write down, this is the dividend, the longer one is the dividend. Okay, 2y raised to 4 minus 3y raised to cube plus 5y raised to 1 minus 4. Okay, so dear student, this is a dividend. Okay, can you see it is in their index form? See, the degree of y is 4, degree of y is 3, here degree of y is 1. So where is 2? It is missing. So we will use here 0 and y, right? Because y is the only variable used in this polynomial, right? So I will use the missing term is here. I will write dividend in index form. First, if any term is absent, first we will write the given dividend in the index form with that term. Look at here, 2y raised to 4 minus 3y raised to cube. Then here directly 5y raised to 1. It means y raised to square is absent. So I will use here plus 0y raised to square plus 5y raised to 1 minus 4y raised to 0. So this is in index form. Y raised to 4, y raised to 3, y raised to 2, y raised to 1, y raised to 0. Okay. First we will write the dividend. We will see it is in their index form. If some term is absent, we will use 0 and that particular variable. Okay. Then see dividend in the coefficient form. Now we will write the coefficient of this dividend. First number is 2. Second number is, this is minus 3. This is minus 3. Okay. Third number is 0. Fourth number is 5. And the last one is minus 4. So these are the coefficients of the dividend. Okay. Y is the only variable and these are these 2, minus 3, 0, 5 and minus 4 are coefficients. Okay. Now divisor. What is divisor here? Y minus 1. Okay. So whatever will be here, this alphabet alongside, whatever will be alongside the alphabet, variable के alongside जो भी होगा, we will take opposite of it. Here it is minus 1. So we will take opposite of minus 1 is 1. Okay. Whatever will be the number here, if it is plus 1, we will write opposite of plus 1 is minus 1. Okay. So here it is minus 1. We will write opposite of minus 1 is 1. Okay. Now see, whatever will the opposite will come, that we will write here. Okay, whatever the opposite of this divisor, the term which is with variable minus 1. So this whatever will be the opposite of this term, you will write here. Okay, then write the coefficients. Coefficients of dividend. Coefficients of dividend in the above line. Here 2, minus 3. Keep little distance between them. See, minus 3, 0, 5. And minus 4. Okay. Again I am saying, first you will write the question as it is. Write dividend. If the dividend is not in the index form, write that missing term also. Then write the coefficients of that dividend. Then write the divisor. Whatever will be the variable alongside the number, you will write the opposite of it. So here it is minus 1. Opposite of minus 1 is 1. Okay. Then here you will write this one. Okay, and here you will write the coefficients of dividend. Coefficients of dividend you will arrange here. Okay, now we have to solve. How? The first number, this 2, will come as it is. 2, whatever will be the first coefficient, it will come as it is here. Okay, it will come as it is. Now you will multiply this 1 to this 2. 1 2s are 2 here. See, it will bounce like 1 2s are 2. Again I will say, here opposite number you will write here. Here you will arrange the coefficients of dividend. First number will come always as it is. Then you will multiply here. Whatever the opposite of this number will come here, this you will multiply to this number. 1 2s are 2. Okay, 1 2s are 2. Okay, then you have to do the solution here. -3 and +2. How much? -1. Right? This is -3 and this is +2. -3 plus 2 -1. Now you will multiply this one to this -1. 1 minus 1s are -1. Okay, see, this one will multiply to here -1. 1 minus 1 ones are -1. Okay, now 0 minus 1, it is -1. Clear? Now you will multiply here again. 1 minus 1 ones are -1. Okay, now see, 1 minus 1 ones are -1. 5 minus 1, it is 4. Right? Then again you will multiply. 1 4s are 4 here. 1 4s are 4. So -4 and 4, 0. So last number always will consider as a remainder. Okay, the last number will consider as a remainder. So what is left? 2 minus 1, 4. These 1 2 3 4, this will be considered as a quotient. Okay, the last answer will be considered as a remainder. The remaining numbers will be considered as a quotient. 1 2 3 4, 4 terms. It means which alphabets use here? Variable use here y. So we will use here 2y, minus y. But what will be the degree? Degree कितनी होगी? How many terms? 1 2 3 4. If there are 4 terms, 1 reduced. So degree will be, y की degree will be 3. Why you will use y? Because here only y is the only variable. So we will use here y. But what is the degree of the variable? Here 1 2 3 4, 4 terms are there. It means the degree of the variable will be 3. एक कम करेंगे. 4 है तो 3. Okay, 4 है तो 3 करेंगे. अगर 3 है तो 2 करेंगे. Is it clear? Now see here. I will write it down. The coefficient of the quotient. This coefficient, the remaining 2 minus 1, 4. See, 2 -1 and 4. Okay, now we have to write the quotient with variable. Which variable used here? Y. And how many terms? 1 2 3 4. So y you will use with 2. Every number के साथ you will use y. But what will be the degree? So whenever 1 2 3 4, you will use 3. If 3, you will use 2. If 5, total 5, you will use 4. Okay, so see here, I will use 2 and y only, because y is the only variable used. 2y cube. 1 2 3 4, that's why I will use 3 minus y square, because it is 1 only. Here minus y, and here it will be plus 4. Okay, so this will be my quotient. This 2y cube. Here only 1, so 1 we should not write 1, right? So y square, y1, y raised to 0. Is it clear? Now what is the remainder over here? The last term is 0. I hope you understood how to solve. Is it clear? So dear students, now we will see the practice set 3.3. In this we have to solve only synthetic division method, because linear division method is cancelled from your syllabus. Okay, so look at the board. The example number 1, 2m square minus 3m plus 10 divided by m minus 5. So the bigger one is your dividend and this smaller one is your divisor. Okay, so first you will copy the question as it is. Clear? Now you will write dividend. So this bigger one is your dividend. Write it down. 2m square minus 3m plus 10. Dividend in the index form. Is it in the index form? See, the degree of m. M is the only variable. So degree of m is in index form. M square m raised to 1. Here m raised to 0. Yes, it is in the standard form. So here nothing will come. Okay, because it is the given dividend is already in the index form. No term is absent. 2m square minus 3m raised to 1 plus 10m raised to 0. Okay, बराबर है. Now dividend in the coefficient form. Write the coefficient of this polynomial. What is coefficient here? 2. What is here? Minus 3. What is here? 10. Okay, so these are the coefficients. M is the only variable and 2, minus 3 and 10 are coefficients. Okay. Now you have to write the divisor here. Divisor is M minus 5. As I have said, whatever variable alongside number is there, it is minus 5. So you will write opposite of minus 5 is 5. Okay. Minus 5. Opposite of minus 5 is 5. So that 5 you will write here. Okay. That 5 you will write here. Now here what will come? The coefficients 2, minus 3 and 10. See, 2, minus 3 and 10. Okay. Now what will be the step? First coefficient you will copy as it is. First coefficient you will copy as it is. 2 as it is. Now what you will do? You will read 5 times table till 2. 5 2s are 10 here. See, 5 2s are 10 here. 10. Okay. 5 2s are 10. See, 5 2s are 10. Clear? Now here minus 3 and this is 10. This is minus 3 and this is plus 10. Plus minus minus. 10 minus 3, 7. Why positive 7? The bigger number is 10. Clear? Now look at here. 5 7s are, now you will say 5 times table till 7. 5 7s are 35. 5 7s are 35. Clear? See, 5 7s are 35. Is it clear? Now this is also plus 10, this is also plus 35. So total it will be 45. So last number always consider as a remainder. Clear? And the remaining 2 digits, these 2 digits will be considered as quotient. Quotient 2 and 7. There are total how many terms? 2 terms. So which variable is there? M. So which degree you will take here? अगर 2 term है तो degree will be 1. Is it clear? Now I will use this 2 and 7 over here as a coefficient of quotient. See, 2, 7. Now we have to write with the variable. Which variable use here in this polynomial? M. M. How many terms? 2. So you will use 2m. 2, if 2 terms are there, you will use 1 degree. That 2m raised to 1 plus 7m raised to 0. Is it clear? Here 2 terms are there. It means we will use m only because m is the only variable here. So here also we will use m. 2 term है तो डिग्री कितनी होगी 1. So 2m raised to 1 plus 7m raised to 0. Okay. And what is the remainder here last? 45. I hope you understood how to solve this synthetic method. So dear students, now we will see the third sum. Second one is very much easy. Okay, write the dividend. See if it is in the index form. Write as it is. If it is not in the index form, write that missing term. Okay, with the 0 and solve. It is very easy. 2 examples I have given to you. Now directly I will solve question number 3 because it is different. Okay, so look at the board. Y raised to cube minus 216 divided by y minus 6. Okay, first you will copy the question, right? Y cube minus 216 divided by y minus 3. First we will write the dividend. This is the dividend, this is the divisor, right? So dividend first you will write and check. Y is the only variable used here. Is it in the index form? See, y degree is 3. Then what should be there? Y degree square, y degree 1. Okay, so that they are missing over here. See, y raised to 3 and direct y raised to 0. It means this given dividend is not in the index form. So we will write the missing terms. Okay, so y raised to 3, y की degree 3. उसके बाद plus 0 y raised to square. It is absent. Plus 0 y raised to 1. And then minus 216 y raised to 0, okay, which we don't write, right? See, y cube directly y raised to 0. It means 2 terms were absent, so we will write with the 0 and the variable y in the descending order of their degree, y3, y2, y1, y0, right? Now dividend in the coefficient form, right? The coefficient, what is here? Coefficient of this y cube 1, coefficient of this y square 0, coefficient of this y is 0. Here it is minus 216. Is it clear? Now what is divisor? Y minus 16. Y minus 16. As I have said, whatever variable will be there alongside what is number there? Minus 6. Opposite of minus 6 is only 6. Is it clear? This 6 you will write here. And what you will write here? These coefficients. Okay, see 1, 0, 0, minus 216. Right? Then what is the next step? First coefficient will come as it is, 1. Right? Now 6 ones are 6 here. 6 ones are 6. 0 and 6, 6. Now 6 6 are 36. 0 and 36, 36. 36 6 are 216. Check it out. 6 6 are 36, 6 3s are 18, 19, 20, 21. Is it clear? So this is first coefficient will come as it is, then 6 ones are 6 here, 0 and 6 6, okay, then 6 6 are 36 will come here, 0 and 36 36, 6 36 6 are 216. So what will be the answer here? This is minus 216, this is plus 216, it will be 0. So the last number will be considered as a remainder, right? Then what is this 1, 6 and 36? These are the quotient. These are the quotient. Okay, so how many terms? 1, 2, 3. 3 terms hai. So you will use y only, right? With this number you will use y only, right? Which degree? 3 terms are there. How much degree you will use maximum? एक कम करेंगे 2. Okay. So y square, y1 and y raised to 0. See here. First I will write the coefficient. What is remain? 1, 6, 36. Right? How many terms? 1, 2, 3. 3. It means 1 you will less. Degree will be 2. Which variable you will use here? Y. So you will use here y square plus 6y plus 36y raised to 0. Clear? Here y is the only variable. We will use y only. 1y means y square. Y square? 1, 2, 3. 3 terms. So we will use degree 2. Agar 4 terms we will use degree 3. If 5 terms we will use degree 4. Is it clear? Y square, y1, y raised to 0. And the remainder is what? 0. So this is how we have to solve 3.3 by using synthetic division method. Linear method of division is cancelled. So dear students, now we will see the question number 4. Please look at the board. See, question we will write as it is first. Dividend, the bigger one is dividend, we will write, and we will check it is in the standard form or the index form. X raised to 4, x raised to 3, x raised to 1. 3 after 1, no, something is wrong. Then here minus 2x raised to 2, something is wrong. It means we will write this dividend in the index form properly according to their index in the descending order. See, 2x raised to 4, then x raised to 3, then x raised to square, means this will come here and this will go there. Okay, 2x raised to 4 plus 3x raised to cube minus 2x raised to square plus 4x raised to 1. It means x raised to 0 is absent. So we will write plus 0 because here x raised to 0 is there. Okay, then we have arranged this given polynomial in the index form. Okay, now we will write its coefficient. X is the only variable. And coefficient 2 plus 3 minus 2 plus 4 and 0. See, then divisor x plus 3 is divisor. I told you whatever alphabet beside there is a number plus 3, you will write opposite of plus 3 is minus 3. This minus 3 you will write here. Okay, and then these coefficients you will arrange 2, 3, minus 2, 4 and 0, right? The first coefficient will come as it is, same. Then you will multiply. Minus 3 2s are minus 6. Minus 3 2s are minus 6. 3 and minus 6. We have to do addition only. Plus 3 and minus 6 is what? Minus 3. Plus minus 6 and 3 is how much? Minus 3. Now this minus 3 will multiply to minus 3. It will be plus 9. Minus 3 multiplied by minus 3 is plus 9. Then we have to do addition only here. 9 and minus 2. So it is 7, right? Now minus 3 multiplied by 7 is minus 21. So 4 minus 21. Minus 21 and 4 how much? Minus 17, right? Plus minus. 24 minus 4 will be 17. Bigger number was 21. Therefore the sign will come minus. Is it clear? Now see. Minus 3 will multiply to minus 17. Minus 3 multiplied by minus 17 is plus 51. So 0 plus 51 is 51. This is the remainder. Last number is remainder. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 terms left. 4 terms left means degree will be 3. Okay. And which variable used here? X. You will use here 2x raised to 3 minus 3x square plus 7x minus 17. Look at here. Coefficient form of quotient. What is remain? 2 minus 3, 7 and minus 17. Total 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 terms left. 1 degree come karo. 3. So x you will use because x is here. 2x raised to 3 minus 3x square plus 7x raised to 1 minus 17x raised to 0. And remainder is the last one, 51. I hope you understood how to solve the synthetic division method. Question number 2 will be homework to you. Is it clear? So dear students, now we will start practice set 3.4. It is very easy. Okay, we know how to utilize the value of x and y and how to solve the polynomial. Please look at the board. It is very simple. See, for x is equals to 0, it means x is equals to 0. Find the value of the polynomial. Polynomial means it is denoted by p. See, p for polynomial. Okay, which variable use here in this polynomial? X. So I will write polynomial of x. Polynomial of x is equals to whatever the polynomial will be given to you, you will copy as it is. X square minus 5x plus 5. Okay, p for polynomial. And which variable use in this polynomial? X. So you will use here polynomial of x is equals to whatever polynomial you will copy. Clear? Now there is a condition when x is equals to 0. Okay, it means wherever x is there in the polynomial, you will use there 0. See, polynomial x value is 0. It means here 0 square, right? Minus 5 into 0 plus 5. 5 and x has multiplication, right? So I will write therefore polynomial of 0 square is equals to 0 minus 5 zeros are 0 plus 5. Okay, so therefore polynomial of 0 is equals to what? Only 5. Clear? 0 minus 0 0. This is only, right? Or you can say this is positive, this is positive. 0 plus 5 5. 5 minus 0 5. Is it clear? Now I hope you understood p for polynomial, and whatever alphabet, whatever variable is there, you will use here x and that given polynomial. The value is given x is equals to 0. So wherever x is there I will put 0. 0 square 0. 5 zeros are 0 plus 5. Okay. So polynomial of 0 is equals to what? 5. So what is the answer left? 5. So at last you will write therefore the given polynomial, the value of the given polynomial, therefore the value of the given polynomial when x is equals to 0 is 5. Is it clear? The value of the given polynomial when x is equals to 0 is 5. Is it clear? Now look at here also, p for polynomial, and this is polynomial of y. And see, it is given find polynomial 3 root 2. It means what? Wherever y is there, see, p here polynomial of y, here polynomial of 3 root 2. It means wherever y is there, on y place you will use this value 3 root 2. Is it clear? Now see how I will write. Polynomial of y is equals to y square minus 3 root 2 multiplied by y plus 1. Then I will write here when, okay, when y is equals to, you will write there y is equals to root 3 root 2. Okay, y is equals to 3 root 2. It means what? Wherever is y, there I will write 3 root 2 is equals to y square means 3 root 2 bracket square minus 3 root 2 multiplied by y. This is 3 root 2. Here is nothing, means here it is multiplication. 3 root 2 multiplied by y. Y value is 3 root 2 plus 1. Is it clear? This is plus 1 plus 1. Now I will square. Square of 3, 9. And square of square root multiplied by square root is equals to pure 2. Square root 2 multiplied by square root 2 is equals to pure 2. Again, square root 3 will multiply to square root 3 is equals to pure 3. Square root 4 into square root 4 is equals to pure 4. Okay. So this is how we have to solve this square. 3 square 9 multiplied by square root 2 is pure 2 minus, then you will multiply here 3 to 3, 3 3s are 9 and root 2 to root 2 it is pure 2. Is it clear? Then plus 1, see 3 3s are 9 and this root 2 will multiply to root 2, it will be pure 2, correct? So what is the answer here? 9 2s are 18, 9 2s are 18 plus 1. So what will be the answer? Can you say here please what I will write? Therefore polynomial of 3 root 2, therefore polynomial of 3 root 2, therefore polynomial of 3 root 2, 18 minus 18 0 plus 1, or you should not do like this, you will do addition of this positive term and this positive term. So 18 plus 1, 19 minus 18. So 19 minus 18 is equals to 1. Is it clear? This is positive and this is positive. So like term 18 plus 1, 19 minus 18. So it is 1. Is it clear? So this is, therefore you will write polynomial of 3 root 2 is equals to 1. So at last you will write the value of the given polynomial, the value of the given polynomial when y is equals to 3 root 2, y is equals to 3 root 2 is 1. This is how we have to solve. Here we will use x place 0. Here at the place of y we will use 3 root 2. Is it clear? This is how we have to solve. So dear students, please look at the board and we will see now practice set 3.4, question number 3 and 4. Very easy. We have to put only the value of the given polynomial. Please look at the board. See, if polynomial of m is equals to m cube plus 2m square minus n plus 10. This is the given polynomial, okay? Then polynomial of a, it means wherever is m, we will put there a. Plus polynomial of minus a. In second time we will use wherever the m, I will use minus a, minus a, minus a, minus a. Okay. See here, I will write first the given question polynomial of m raised to cube plus 2m square minus n plus 10. This is the given polynomial, right? First I have to find polynomial of a. It means m is equals to a. When m is equals to a, wherever is m, there I will put a. See, a cube plus 2a square minus a plus 10. This is my first answer. Understood? M place I will put a. M cube means a cube. 2m square means plus 2a square. Minus m means minus a plus 10. This is my first answer. Okay. Then the second one also I have to find, that is polynomial of minus a. It means again I will write when m is equals to minus a. The same question I will copy as it is. First polynomial of m is equals to m cube plus 2m square minus n plus 10. This is the question. We will write again. But now here at the place of m we will use minus a. Here we had used a. Here we will use minus a. See. So m cube means minus a cube plus 2 as it is m minus a square. So square of any negative number is always positive. Square of any negative number is always positive. So minus a square will be a square only. Now this is minus of sign and m is minus a. So there are two minus multiplied by minus. It will be plus a. See, minus as it is sign minus and m place we will write minus a. So there are two minus. It means minus multiplied by minus a is equals to plus a. Then it will be plus 10. So this is my second answer. Then what we have to find? We have to find polynomial of a plus polynomial of minus a. See, polynomial of a plus polynomial of minus a. So first answer was a cube plus 2a square minus a plus 10. This is my first answer, right? Second answer is this. We have to do addition. So I will use here addition. Polynomial of minus a, answer is minus a cube. See, minus a cube plus 2a square plus a plus 10. Now this plus and minus will be minus. Okay. First polynomial will come as it is. Then plus minus will be minus. Second polynomial will be as it is. Then we will cut the opposite. Okay. A cube minus a cube cancel. Minus a plus a will cancel. What is remain? Plus 2a square plus 2a square. plus 2a square plus 2a square plus 10 and plus 10. So there is 4a square plus 20. So polynomial of a means first answer plus polynomial of minus a means second answer. The answer will come 4a square plus 20. Is it clear? Very simple, very easy. Now see question number 4. If polynomial of y is equals to 2y cube minus 6y square minus 5y plus 7. This is the given polynomial. Okay. I will copy as it is, and here it is given, then find polynomial of 2. It means what? Wherever the y is there, instead of y I will use y value 2. See, when y is equals to 2. So y, instead of y I will use 2. Polynomial of 2 is equals to 2 cube. See, minus 6. Y square means 2 square minus 5y. 5y is having multiplication 5y. So 5 multiplied by 2 plus 7. See, 2 as it is. Cube of 2 is 8 minus 6 as it is, square of 2 is 4, 5 2s are 10 plus 7. Clear? Now 2 8s are 16 minus 6 4s are 24 minus 10 plus 7. Then what I have done? Like term plus 16 plus 7. I have taken the like term separate. First we will do addition plus 16 plus 7. They are the like terms. And these two are negative like terms. See, plus 16 plus 7 plus 23. Minus 4 minus 10 minus 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 addition of number minus 34. 23 minus 34 will be minus 11. So polynomial of 2 is equals to minus 11. So much easy, so much simple. Instead of y we will use here 2 and the answer will come minus 11. So this is how I have finished practice set 3.3. From practice set 3.3 question number 5 and 6 reduce because they are depend on linear division method, and linear division method is completely reduced from your syllabus. Then we have started 3.4 and we have finished. It is very simple, very easy. So best of luck and thank you so much.